Ever wondered why your stomach growls when you're hungry? That rumbling sound actually has a name, borborygmi. It happens because your stomach and intestines use muscle contractions called peristalsis to move food, liquid, and even air along your gut. When your stomach is empty, there's nothing to muffle the noise, so the gurgles get louder. And here's the fun part. About 2 to 3 hours after your stomach empties, your brain tells your gut to run a cleaning cycle called the migrating motor complex, which is why you hear those growls the most when you're hungry. So next time your stomach growls, it's not just begging for food, it's your body tidying up for the next meal. When was the last time you heard your stomach growl? Let me know in the comments below. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.